Arrive in style with this 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are active suspension, keyless start, rear-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, aluminum wheels, HID headlights, fog lamps, daytime running lights and automatic headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.